Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my gungo peas and rice. So in my bowl I have 4 cups of green gungo. I'm going to go ahead and wash that. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water to that. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put this to boil. So this will boil for 12 minutes and then I'll season the pot. Okay, so it has been 12 minutes. And our peas is ready. Our gungo, sorry, is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our coconut milk to the pot. We're going to add our Scotch bonnet pepper, our thyme, and our scallion. I'm going to bring this to a boil, taste it before we add the rice to see if it needs any more salt. So while we wait for our gungo peas and coconut milk to boil up, we're going to wash our rice in the meantime. So now we're going to taste our pot to see if we need to add any more salt. Okay, I'm gonna add about another half teaspoon of salt. So now we're going to add our rice to our pot. So now we're going to check our rice. Shelly. And our rice and gungo is now complete.